Hi guys, so today is Friday, April 10th, and I'm gonna talk about what had happened during the week and how gold was traded during the week and what we would expect uh, in the coming sessions. So to recap, we have the weekly trend. So we have a weekly downtrend like this. And although the general monthly trend is still in a bullish pattern, but in the weekly trend, we have a we have a kind of short term in terms of multi-years, short term weekly downtrend. So we have a very sharp pullback to 4100, but then we have a very strong rebound. We have to see a hammer price action here, which is a very bullish pattern here. So we're gonna expect that it's gonna rebound a little bit for some weeks before a new selling pressure push it down further. So that is the long-term weekly chart. But if we look at the daily chart, we can see that we have a kind of rally, recovery rally from the sell-off in March. So if we look at closer to this rally, especially if we draw the trend line like this, if I drawing the support or all the lows of the and then we have a very nice parallel channel lines like this. So this is the upper line, which is the point where the price would bounce back, and then this is the support lines. So this is a place where we can reliably place some long orders. So since today we have already kind of the price bouncing a little bit, kind of touch the support line like this, I'm gonna expect that it would go back up further. At least we coming to the area of 4960 or 5000 around here, this level. So we're gonna see how if we have a strong buying pressure from this area around 4700 or a little bit lower than that. And if the negotiation between the US and Iran is going well, we would expect some kind of strong buying pressure, just like we had on Wednesday. So only until it's going back up to this level that I would consider some kind of like counter trend short order. But right now, since there's have yet to have some kind of price action showing that it is going up from here, I'm not interested in committing my capital right now. So I'm waiting for some kind of price action around this level, especially if we have in a 4-hour chart, we have some kind of good price action around this level. But here, I haven't seen any kind of like strong buying pressure from here. So I'm waiting to see more confirmation from this. But I think that this week we don't have much movement this week, except that we have the kind of spike on Wednesday, but that spike is short-lived, it's fleeting because of the fragile negotiation ceasefire between Iran and the US. So we have to wait more to see more confirmation in this area. But that's all about it for gold for today. See you on Monday.